Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Basmati and I'm the owner and founder of Lip Candy. Lip Candy is a cosmetics company based in Toronto, Canada. We make lipstick, lip gloss, lip balms, and so on. Pretty much a lot of different things related to lip products. And in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about suppliers that I use for the ingredients in our lip products. I've got a list of 7. I will go through each one of them and then I'll link them in the description below so you can access them easily. And I hope you find this helpful. I spent the last 5 years trying to figure out which suppliers to use, and I sort of honed down the ones that I like the most in this video. So I hope you find it to be a great resource. So let's get right into it. So number 1, I love to use New Directions, and you might have heard of them before, and they have locations around the world. I believe there's one in Australia. I think there's one in the US. There's definitely one in Canada, and they supply carrier oils, essential oils, clays, waxes, and a variety of other ingredients for your cosmetics company or bath and body company. They also have raw materials like citric acid and things like that. So check them out. The second supplier that I really like to use is TKB Trading, and they're based out of the US. They have lip gloss bases, lip gloss coloring and pigments, whether it's powder form or it is in a liquid format, which I see a lot of new entrepreneurs and really successful ones use in their business. And they also have packaging, which is fantastic. And I actually used them when I first started out. My first lipstick, I used the lipstick tubes supplied by them because they had a very small order quantity and lots of glitters, and they actually have starter kits too. So definitely check those guys out. The next one that I recommend is if you're looking for pigments and coloring for your lip glosses and lipsticks and even lip balms, is Just Pigments. Just Pigments is based out of the US as well, and I really like them because they are super friendly. They offer batch size quantities of pigments, which you need, by the way, which is kind of a big deal if you are wanting to start a business and sell your product commercially, because you need to be using batch certified pigments for your lipsticks and lip glosses if you're going to be selling it in the US. Fourth company I really like to use is Voyageur Soap and Candle Company. They're based in Vancouver, Canada, and they have a variety of different ingredients for your business, from packaging to base ingredients and waxes, even a lip gloss base. And I like sourcing my lip gloss base from them. They are cost efficient here because when I use TKB Trading, I have to pay duties and so on. So you got to account for that if you're importing from another country like I do here in Canada. Sunrise Botanics, I love to use them as well. They do have a really nice variety of products and ingredients that you can use from their website, so definitely check them out. And then there's Lotion Crafter. Lotion Crafter is huge, and they have a vast array of ingredients for face creams, for cosmetics, for bath and body, and ingredients you really can't find in a lot of different places and smaller quantities. So I was trying to make like a face cream a few years ago, and I was looking for hyaluronic acid, for example, and I did a lot of research and I ended up buying it from them, and they had like the perfect size for me that I wanted to use and to experiment with. So I definitely recommend these guys, especially if you just want to dabble around and play around with some ingredients and not necessarily invest in too much money before you decide that you want to start a business, or if you just want to make something just for yourself. It's a great place to start. The next one I'll mention is Making Cosmetics. They are really great. They have a nice array of products to choose from. They are a great resource in terms of bases and pigments, so check them out. They have a whole slew of things to choose from. Now these are sort of my top 7 that I tend to look at. I do have an extended list of suppliers that I do research on and sort of price compare and so on. But if you're looking for larger quantities, which I have done in the past because I'm now sort of scaling up my business for lip candy, and I would look at Jedwards International. I think it's Jedwards. They are great at providing bulk ingredients. And when I say bulk, not necessarily like by the barrel or whatever, but you can get by the kilogram, which is really, really good. That's a lot for me at this stage in my business, but I go through it pretty quickly. So if you're looking for larger quantities, check those guys out as well. I hope you found this really informative and you were able to take away something that can help you guide you in how you are doing your business or starting your business. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you know when we will be releasing our next video. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.